Hi, good morning. This is Philcon TV. Today is August 8th. We have to go to take a breakfast. After that, we get ready to go to on the board for cruise. Okay. And doon. Matali. Morning, Mana Rena. Hello.
Stop it!
Kakain na tayo eh. Oh. So we get ready for breakfast. And customer service. Morning. Oh. There's a gym here. Look. It's a gym. Ito for breakfast lang. Yun. Saan mo? Yan.
Sausage.
Sausage. Pancake.
Pancake.
Oh yeah. Fruits. And coffee. Pancake. Coke. Strawberries. Kapihan nila separate. Ayan. Ano ba? Elevator. So. Yan, ang breakfast ko. With coffee.
Ang bait ng kape. So pait.
Ang kinain ko ngayon. Dalawang itlog. Puro itlog. At mamaya maraming itlog na naman doon. Yan, embarkation tayo mamaya. Yan. Sasakay na tayo sa barko. Kaya lang mag-i-in kami ng 1:30. Kailangan namin pumunta ron. Ito ang suot namin. Second day in US, Tampa. Mamaya, pag natuloy, luluwas na tayo papuntang saan ba yan?
Pag ba't ko din kang matuloy?
Sa Belize or saan?
Not yet. Di ko alam paano sila.
Oh, hindi pa namin alam. Basta mag-entry
Embark
lang,
muna.
embark na sa embarkation tayo. Mag-in muna kami doon sa barko. Okay? Stay tuned. Dito kami nakatira. Ito ang itsura sa loob. Oh, may fridge dyan. May kusina. So, may mga gamit pa rito. Pwede ka magluto. Oh. Yan o. Yung sardero. Yan. Comfort. Microwave. Ito may TV. Itong washroom. O ito. Maluwag eh. Oh. Ayan. Diba? Yan ang itsura. Oh. Yan ang pwedeng buksan yan. Oh. Wala ba? Ayos na. To take off.
With the simple goal to fight for families like yours.
Kasi ito ng outfit ko. Yun.
For your safety, please remember to
Ayan ang sakyan natin. Ready to go. Larga na tayo. Degrees dito ngayon, init. Going in.
Thank you so much.
Akyat pa sa escalator. Akyat na kami. Pasok na. Thank you.
Good Lord, right?
Go to another adventure starts here. This is priority boarding. Ready to go. Yun, doon kami sasakay. To cruise ship. Dive into adventure. Picture kayo dyan, kagayang ganyan, no? Yun, tapos diretso na kami. Yun, titingnan. Masakit doon. Ang ganyan, no? Tinan. Yun. Later. On the board, the cruise ship going to Belize, Tampa, Honduras, and Costa Maya. We get in. Wow! On this way. We are the Port B. Tampa Bay. Rito. I know it.
Alam mo yung pagkasa ko ng lalaki.
Dito na kami sa loob. Casino kagad. Ito na ang boat. Ito na yung boat. Oh, here. Wow.
We are on the boat.
Video.
Ito mas okay.
Diretso kayo na natin. Kuha muna kami ng spot.
I really hope you appreciate it. Yeah, the big one.
Ito yung spot namin.
Nakatap ko na kayo.
Line up ata eh.
Safety 1, 2, 3. Remember, the provision in the assigned station, the
Gado, menudo. Biryani. Food.
Ang daming nagagamit kasi.
Yes. San Nicolas, alam mo kami, Thursday, August 8. There's a Saturday. Dito kayo maliligo. Yan. Nasa upper deck na tayo, di ba?
Yeah.
Dito na kami, oh. Ready to go. Pwede na mag-swimming. Ikot-ikot muna tayo kasi first day. August 8, Saturday. Kainitan. Oh, jacuzzi. Yeah, oh. Life jacket. Na may bayad yan. Oo, ang ganda dyan, oh. Talagang dagat. Dali lang, saglit lang. Ayan, oh. Open sesame. Wow, it's cool. Diba naman? Not shallow water. Indoor pool. Siniko. Sa'yo na, no? Ayan, may pizza. Okay. Look at we are on the top. Explore na kami. Bumaba. Yes. In emergency, landing. Latitude. Invicta. This, I'll take that before.
Your cruise vacation is the best cruise vacation. But before
Duty free. Bye-bye. Ang aisle namin papunta sa aming yun.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. We are excited to welcome you on board the Enchantment of the Seas. Great news! Your stay rooms are now open. We would like to remind you about the mandatory guest safety briefing procedure. The process to make it quicker, a safety icon, and watch the life jacket demonstration video key. for guests who do not watch the life jacket demos before
Hanapin namin
proceeding
yung
to your
luggage
station.
namin.
Remember, the sooner you check in at your assigned station,
Punta kami sa 4005. Ayan ang aming kwarto. Ayan, malapit. Yung dito.
procedure. We have enhanced the process to make it quicker and easier. What you do is to make sure you can app and watch the live jacket demonstration video on your app. Please check in with the crew at your assigned assembly station. Your facility stations on the Royal Caribbean app, the back of your stateroom door, and the
Lahat yan.
Dito pa kami, di pa kami naglalayak. Sila ng hindi, kumukuha lang sila ng ice cream. Free. Akit kami dito sa upper deck. One more. Yun, nalilito na yun. Playing now. Wow. Dito pa lang kami sa Tampa. Hindi pa kami lumalabas. Alas 4 daw ang alis. Hindi pa kami nag-welcome. Pasok ulit sa loob kasi malamig. Malamig-lamig dito. Yes, and you are here. 10th floor. Ayan pa namin pag nabas kami. Zoom natin na mainit. Yan. Yung boat.
Isa na ano? Asa na ba ibang dock? May dock pa ba?
Wala namang tao ata eh.
Hindi, may terminal 3 kasi pa to eh. Ayun o, di ba yun? Ayun, ayun. May terminal 3 kasi.
May sa taas yung kami.
Ito ang terminal. Ito may ibang terminal.
Ayan, galit. Ayan, ganyan kami.
Ha?
Tapos meron pang maliit doon.
Kayong dalawa, di mo kayo kumain, nagsalad lang kayo.
Ulit. May bayad pala. Ito, sabaw mo alo. Sabaw. Sabaw. Doon lang talagang karne.
Ha?
Itong washroom. I-plus mo doon. Yan o, may ikon naman siya. Kalababan yan o. Exhaust. Towel. TV.
Tingnan mo ako na.
Ayo!
Ayun sa taas.
Yeah, ang ganda.
Malis ka ng ano?
Yeah. Doon tayo sa harap. Kaya lang wala makainit. Yan, nagluto. Sorry. Sila eh.
No, dito sa taas.
Oh, nandun sila sa taas.
Very hot.
Dito kami sa deck 6. What was the next ski goal to see today? Deck 9 movie.
Now 6 o'clock.
We have
Outdoor movie. 6 p.m. Full deck, deck 9. You, me, and Tuscany.
Okay, let's go ulit. Dito kami kumakain na naman. Slowly.
There's a 7:30 Bon Voyage. Bon Voyage bracelet. Marco Polo, deck 6.